Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subtract a shape from another shape in Photoshop. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Photoshop and then select this tool here, and you have to select this ellipse tool. Then draw a circle like this. Now go to the shape and select shape here. Again, go to this and this time select custom, and now just draw any shape here like this. Now as you can see, it will look like this. Now go for the selection tool, and if you drag it, and then you have to press Ctrl, select all of them, and simply select this selection tool, and you can drag it like this. Now you can see these are joined, these are not separate. Now what you can do is go to this layer and then tap on this combine shapes, and then simply tap on this subtract front shape, and if you tap on it, you will see this shape is subtracted now. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to subtract a shape from another shape in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.